qu'un prétexte, je ne veux avoir de réflexe malheureux.
Good morning, my little vlog family. Today's April 1st and we're starting April's vlog. Spring is here and I feel like this vlog will just be a simple, mundane, but soft kind of month. Nothing too crazy. Besides, I do have my bestie girls from Denver coming to visit me for the weekend, so obviously I'll be taking you guys along with us. Today is just going to be a spring cleaning kind of day. Deep cleaning the whole house, changing sheets, doing laundry to start off the month. Since it is starting to feel like spring, let's just romanticize this April month. That is one thing vlogging is helping me do. Just keep romanticizing my life. That's one thing I always want to carry in my character, to find beauty in the mundane things. And let's go into this month and romanticize our spring. I was craving bamboo sushi so badly. I got my usual. That does not look like green machine. I'm so confused. And then I got the king salmon nigiri. My mood just got ruined, literally. What the heck? Let me just give it a try. Like, it doesn't have the sauce. I know what it looks like when it's the green machine. That is literally like not a green machine. I'm so mad. I'm pissed. Cut. I got these clip-on bangs from Amazon because I have trouble committing. One day I want long hair, the other day I want to cut my hair, so I thought this was a perfect option and I'm obsessed. I like chose like a fringe look once, and it does help that I still do have a little bit of my own bangs. I don't know, just such a vibe. Like a messy hair type of look. We're going to grab a coffee and then I want to go to West Elm and waste some money and look at this lamp because somebody we're not pointing fingers or anything, but somebody bumped into my lamp and broke it, and it's one of those like paper, like a Noguchi style paper lamps. So I saw a similar one at West Elm, so I want to go see if they have the size I need in store. So heavy. This one you cannot break. Okay? Deal? Yeah, that's all good. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Shipping information, shipping address,
I meant by our lamp is broken. We are going to replace her. I love this wood. We have her all finished. It's 12:30 at night. I am heading out to the airport to pick up my Denver girlies. And they're here.
Their luggage yet.
I know, excuse us.
I said princess treatment, Anna.
that.
We are heading out to breakfast, just like 10 hours late.
It's like brunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
I have a little
Lunch,
stain.
is that a thing?
It's not coming out. Porsche Studio Cafe. It looks so beautiful. Which one are you buying today? This one? I thought you wanted it in a different interior. Brick. They don't even have that. Girls getting their tea.
Just permission.
Actually, it's a public place. I don't have to ask for permission.
Like actually, like I'm.
I actually don't have to ask you to record you.
What are you gonna do to me?
I don't have to ask for your permission to
I'm gonna
record you.
tackle you outside.
That would actually be harassment.
Let's go.
I think she's becoming that mom that's taking pictures of all the flowers and trees. Yeah.
What do you mean becoming? I am that
She
mom.
is. She is the moment. She is the mom.
Hello, it's so funny.
I got it.
Теперь вот эти все деревья сподвинут и дом там построить, знаешь?
I didn't make the rules. We got the clam chowder. Going to dinner. We vanished this beef tartare.
Literally.
Vanished.
Like,
Nuts in it.
Ooh, look at the glow that she has. Good morning, 10 hours later. We never vlogged dinner last night, really, because we were so tired.
Yeah, we were.
Like,
What did we eat?
I don't remember anything from last night.
We didn't even drink.
But this morning, we
Sing
got
a song.
up, we got ready, we grabbed a coffee, and we drove out to Seattle.
Matilda did, but.
Hola. Shall we?
We have
Shall
nothing,
we? Let's
have
go.
nothing else.
Wow, what the frick was
so
that?
We got our tuna melon.
Guys, let's do some
Unpacking.
ASMR or whatever it's called.
PR and hi. Where'd you get a carrot one? Carrots?
Yeah,
Can I
try
try
it. Carrot, ginger. Yeah, we'll have
Just
coffee.
milk cream. Oh. You guys, простите.
This is so good.
That is good. It's just so different than this one, so it almost makes me feel like I'm a good one of those. I love ginger.
This and yap.
This girl, what are you on today?
You
Yeah.
like it?
I wasn't expecting the bread to be so crunchy, but it's like a good crunch because it's thin.
Yeah.
So cute.
Мачку будешь брать? Окей. Возьми мне.
Your drink is ready. But you have to wait for us. Did you guys get the same one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like their house latte drink, and I got the matcha with the creamy cold foam.
Wow, this is like the perfect of sweet, but also.
We just got to this vintage space. It's called Front Museum.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You like it? Let me see.
I don't know.
It's cute.
Look at this trench she found. It's by the All Saints.
Also, why don't I find these things?
You will. Have you looked besides the two rows? The moment
65, I'm getting it.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm getting it.
convinced. Literally finishing up, and now we're in dessert. I got affogato because we still have a drive home. That's why I got it.
Look at that.
This.
First impression.
I haven't had avocado in such a long time. Like I want to say years. That at first it's obviously very bitter, and I forgot that it's so bitter. It's dripping. And this. Oh my gosh. She'd be slipping and sliding.
Put that into the vlog.
We be slipping sliding. This is my grandpa shorts that I borrowed.
We are going to a breakfast spot down this street. We're on time crunch. I'm getting the tuna melt. We're getting the strawberry matcha because we have at least 2 more coffees to put in today. Got the tuna melt. I've had it before and it's really good. We got the strawberry matcha. It was like 2 out of 10. And what did you get?
BLT.
Turkey BLT.
The croissant BLT.
Croissant BLT. Croissant is really crunchy. It looks really
Good. It's so good. I'm like a child right now.
We just got to Water Avenue coffee shop / hotel, and we want to do a photo booth, photo strip. Oh, come say hello. We just had our last lunch together, heading to the car and out to the airport. Our
It all
last.
flew by so fast.
Right.
Alrighty then.
Going off for today. Nice.
Until next time. Nice chatting with
Bye. It was good to see y'all. Because I see y'all.
She just kept thinking
I don't know.
Bisou! Here's my outfit. I'm just going into the city with my husband. I'm gonna run a few errands. I do have a friend's birthday dinner coming up in a couple of days, so I want to find her a whole bunch of cutie things. I'm obsessed with this skirt. It's shorts with a skirt. It's from a brand called E-L-E-H. And I love my little denim cap. It's from the brand 495. We just stopped by Saint Laurent because he needed some glasses. And I tried these on. So freaking cute. I convinced him to get these. I'm convincing him to get these too.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wear them up.
Babe, can you try these on right now? Babe,
And you know what? What are these?
if you get these, I'm gonna wear them too. I'm running out for dinner with a friend. It's a late dinner. We're just both late. Hopefully the restaurant doesn't close before we get there. We just got to this cutie place and they have this waiting outside, which is adorable. Look at that. People are waiting there. People are waiting there. She's waiting here. This place looks so beautiful and homey. And just the atmosphere is vibing. I want to call this rabbit food, which, I mean, she's not wrong. Ooh, let's eat it. I know this is gonna be good. It's so hot. Love it.
Okay, first test. What do you think? It's a 7 out of 10? Okay.
I don't know if it'll be really glowing. Okay.
You have to try.
Okay. They let us turn on our playlist. We turned on Selena Gomez, obviously.
And yeah, I don't know.
And Benny Blanco.
I have no idea what this is, but we're taking over, guys.
There's literally nobody here. I am meeting two of my friends. We're going to this little coffee shop. Somebody opened up in their garage. We've been wanting to check it out for a while, so we'll see if it's still open when we get there, and we'll see if it's any good. I think that's the house where the coffee shop is at. And that's my friends. Coda! Oh my gosh. This place is a... You missed. I got myself a hazelnut, butter, and brown sugar latte. Seemed like a good idea. It's interesting because I can like taste the hazelnut pieces. I've never had anything like that. Interesting, she says. She got the same thing as Simo, which is this, what is it called?
Matcha soda.
What did she say that was? Yuzi matcha.
Yuzi soda.
I liked it. It's refreshing. Yes, citrusy, huh? It's giving citrusy. I am currently heading out to a hair salon. I'm just getting my hair toned, nothing too drastic. And then I think I want to stop by like a little shop that has cute little things for home, like mugs and things like that, and just like see if I can find cute little things for my friend. We're doing a dinner for her birthday tomorrow, so I want to see if I can like finish off a gift. My hair is still in process. I have an hour and I have to go back to the salon. It's a whole story, but regardless, I got to this cute little shop that I was talking about that I wanted to check out. Like this little swoop, I would never.
That is so sassy. Oh, I love it.
Maybe it's a good thing we didn't cut it.
I know.
I'm back home. My hair is done. I feel like hair is literally like playing Russian roulette. You just like never know how it's gonna turn out. I wasn't supposed to be this dark. I was supposed to be more of a warm tone, but something went wrong. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I feel like, ooh. I feel like this color is actually giving like sophisticated. While I had my little break and went to that canoe shop, I picked up actually a little gift for my friend. Yeah, I don't think I want to really open it. They are the leather brown posters. I thought that was so unique and different. I found this skirt on Depop that I'm hoping will match this jacket that I thrifted. It seemed like it was this color on pictures. Let's hope it's something close to it. I mean, it was Depop, so I can't expect too much. This is a really good match. Are we kidding? This jacket, this mini skirt, and I'm gonna wear these heels. I got these ordered for my friend for her birthday dinner tonight. This is my outfit for tonight's girls' dinner. These pretty sisters celebrating this girl. I literally can't see. Happy birthday to you. So green, so luscious. Yeah, we stopped by Nordstrom and got him these salmons for our little walk in the park. Oh, so luscious.
Yeah, these things are comfy, bro.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
North Falls, Viewpoint, or the Twin
The
Trail? Which ones do you want?
None of them. We're supposed to follow the 10. Let me ask ChatGPT. I think we got lost in these trails at least like 5 times. but I think we finally may have found it. So that previous waterfall was a false alert. We were literally just in the beginning of the trail. We had like 5 more miles to go. We're so unprepared. We left our water in the car. I've got no snacks. I'm about to pass out. I'm hungry. I have all the equipment though. I have my film camera. I've got everything else that I don't need. We passed the really hard part, the incline. I was passing out on there. We have made it, or something like that. Oh, the glare. We just got back from our trail walk.
We thought it was how much? 0.5 miles?
So, you know, didn't grab nothing with us. Water, no snacks, nothing. We ended up walking 8.5 miles. Yeah, no, I was dying. I was dying. I don't even know how I made it, honestly. I'm glad you have a banana here. Regardless, I think it was still a good time. Yeah? I got a couple things in this morning for home, like the kitchen area that I'm absolutely in love with. To start off, something from Love at Crew brand. These stainless steel round mugs. I love Temu for finding just random unique things, which I got these stainless steel coasters, and it even has this holder for them, which I thought would be really cute to put together like this. Another stainless steel thing I got is this tumbler, which you could use for anything really, but I'm going to be using for my office table to put all my pens. And lastly, I got these dinner plates. They don't seem to be like the best quality, but I love the look of them. I'm gonna try them and see how they upkeep with like forks being in this area, because this area does look more plasticky, but I really love the look of them. I just love the whole stainless steel collection going on here. My outfit, the grip socks, and I still have this bag from way before that I got from Adamova. I need to get my water bottle.
You're heavy in those heels, keeping the carriage completely still. Great. Here, lengthen out your left leg. Bend it right back. And looking really, really slow. Easy, love it. Easy. I think the girl can make it work.
So, for you, where did you feel the most pain?
Definitely my obliques and some legs.
Okay, and you?
My ass. I don't know, it looked good when you were doing it. And you? My arms.
Your arms?
Sure,
like your arms or your wrists?
And my biceps and my wrists.
Same.
Yeah, my
I
wrists.
still feel it.
I pulled my muscle. I pulled my muscle. But you know, I thought she's gonna be the confident one. I'm gonna be the one falling apart.
Yeah, for us it's not a big deal, so you wouldn't feel like too bad about yourself.
Well, thank you for making me psychology.
I loved it though. It was so challenging. I needed a challenge. I'm coming back. Who's coming back?
Me.
Who's going back? We came to get a little food. my breakfast every morning. We are just making plans.
Don't put us together. We will make we'll make too many plans.
Get ready. We're going to New York.
Yeah. So yeah, the great, which would be nice. We'll still get the Sundays of the weekend, and we'll go into Tuesdays. Yeah, best of both worlds.
Yeah. And that's a wrap for the month of April vlog. Thanks for checking in and staying. Hope you enjoyed it. Any feedback is welcome if I should be making my vlogs shorter but bi-weekly, or if this lengthy format is just fine. Let me know what you think. But we are moving on into May, and May should be a really fun month. I'll be going to New York with a friend of mine, and New York is just home for my creative and artistic personality. I'm really excited to romanticize New York and just show you some of the new spots that I will be going to that opened up in the past year, and some of the old ones that I really love. I'm excited to take you guys along for that. So see ya in May. Mwah.